Alright, so now we continue with freeze panes and unfreeze pane subtopic. Okay, so if you set up a worksheet with row or column headings, okay, so these headings will not be visible when you scroll down or to the right. Okay, so actually Microsoft Excel provides a handy solution to this problem with freezing panes. Okay, so these freezing panes keeps the headings visible while you are scrolling through the worksheet. Okay, so I want to show it to you how we want to use a freeze pane. Okay, so let we go to this worksheet. Okay, and then follow the steps that I mentioned. Okay, so first, okay, select the first row or first column or the row below which you want to freeze. Okay, or column right to area which you want to freeze. Okay, example here, I want to freeze a column. Okay, so I want to freeze from row number 1, all right, until row number 4, example. Okay, so I hold control button. Okay, so row number 1 until row number 4. Okay, so then I choose view ribbon, view tab, okay, to show the view ribbon. All right, and then under Windows groups here, can you see there is one button named as freeze panes? Okay, so when you click this freeze panes, okay, there is 3 options. Okay, so what is the first functions of freeze panes? Okay, is to freeze area of cells. Okay, and then freeze top row, to freeze first row of worksheet. Okay, how about freeze first column, to freeze first column of worksheet. Okay, in this, okay, in our example, I want to freeze from row number 1 until row number 4, sorry. So I choose the first option is to freeze pane. Okay, so when you click the freeze pane, okay, you will see, okay, there is one line here, alright, in between of row number 1 until row number 4. So you see 1 until 3 here, there is one line here. So when you scroll down, okay, when you scroll down, can you see? Alright, row number 1 until number 3 will be freeze. Okay, so it's easy for you if you are working with a very large data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so how you want to remove it, how you want to unfreeze it. Okay, so it's easy. View tab, view ribbon. Okay, so Windows, so go back to the freeze pane button, you click and you choose to unfreeze the pin, so they will remove the freeze pane. So when you scroll down, so the headings will be moving. Okay, they will move together with your scroll bar. Okay, all right. So if you have selected the freeze top row, okay, example, if I choose this one, okay, and then when I click freeze top row, okay, without any selections, okay, freeze top row, so automatically they will freeze only the first row. Okay, so how you want to remove it? Same, alright, you just click unfreeze the panes. Okay, alright, same goes to column. Okay, if you just want to freeze the column A, alright, you click freeze panes and then freeze first column, and then when you scroll to the right, you will see they will freeze the first column. Unfreeze, go back to the freeze panes, click and unfreeze. Okay, so that is how to freeze and unfreeze.